This experiment, I'm trying to figure out what happens to the water level in a pond when the anchor that is originally in the boat is thrown into the water. Right, so in this case, I'm using this beaker of water to represent the pond or the lake, this plastic container to represent the boat, and these two brass weights to represent the anchor in the boat. Right. Initially, the anchor is in the boat, so let's put the brass weight into the plastic container and put the container into the pond, into the okay, now I'm going to load the anchor carefully. Right, so now we see that the water level in the pond is at this level, right? At this level. Right, so I'm going to mark that with a small piece of blue tack so that we can keep track of the initial level of the water in the pond. So let's mark it properly with a small piece of blue tack here. Okay, so this blue tack represents the initial position of the initial level of the water in the pond. Right, so what happens when the anchor is thrown overboard into the water? Let's find out. Right, and you can see very obviously once the anchor is thrown into the water level in the pond fell, right, from the initial level as shown by the blue tack, as marked by the blue tack, to the final level here. Right, so as expected, the water level in the pond will fall once the anchor is thrown overboard.